Hi dear viewers, welcome to EDTUBE channel, and before I start, try to subscribe, like and share to your friends. And today's topic is about what's the difference between Lifi and Wi-Fi technology. As we all know, Wi-Fi is meaning wireless fidelity, but Lifi meaning light fidelity. So what's the difference? So Wi-Fi, it uses the radio waves, and there are some disadvantages also to that. The disadvantage is because the radius is around 20 to 50 meters, and this allows also to disseminate the information around, and this also, even when the connection is protected with a password, others they may attempt to hack into the network, leaving the private data vulnerable. So Lifi is it means light fidelity, and it uses it make use the visible light communication (VLC) technology, and this technology first time pioneered by Professor Harald Haas. And what is the advantage of this technology? One is its efficient, and the second is light travels extremely fast speed because we are using light, and light also travels very fast. And the third is the result is a faster transmission. It is faster, 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. And the fourth is it cannot penetrate, or it cannot go beyond opaque walls like wall or doors. So it just restricted or limited to the area where you are using the internet, because it uses the lead bulb. Also, there are semiconductor also to receivers. This means that long as room is covered by opaque lights or thereby confined connections, and this prevents unauthorized access to the live connection, adding another layer of security to the network. And also Wi-Fi, it is very weak when there are dense users. It becomes very weak, the connection. While Lifi is subject to the same limitation and in fact works well in a very dense environment. So it's very faster even if there are so many users or people in one area. And how does the semiconductor works? So we need some LED bulb and also semiconductor. And semiconductor helps us just to receive, like for example, in solar energy, it changes or alters into electrical energy, and the same also the semiconductor, also the photodetector also changes into data or digital thing or information. And the lead why we use, because it's very 8% energy efficient and also environmental also friendly, and also it uses also very less energy, and it's also very economical, and so that's why it's very crucial or important to use the LED bulb. And where can we apply this application, this Lifi? We can use in hospitals, for example, user place where difficult to install or optical fibers like hospitals, in security institutions or organizations, because they need kind of secure thing to exchange information, in contrast to radio frequency, because it go out from the walls, so their information also very sensitive things also may be exposed. So but if you use the light, it cannot penetrate through walls and doors, so this makes it more secure and more easily controllable. And the other is traffic management. So vehicles also communicate with one another via front and back lights to increase road safety. Also street lights like neon guys lights, also traffic signals will also provide information of the current situation. Or the other thing is in underwater application also, we use underwater ROV, like remote operated underwater vehicles also, because most they use cables, but with Lifi, because light can travel through water and we can use it and communicate with them easily. Also it facilitates the things. Also in industrial automation, also anywhere industrial areas also that have to be transmitted, Lifi is capable of replace rings and sliding contact cables such as industrial Ethernet, or due to the real-time capability of Lifi, which is often required as automation process. It's also an alternative common industrial wireless LAN standards. So this is our future. So now I am going to translate also in Tigrinya. እዚ እንታይ ይብል ዘሎ ዝናይሎም ትምህርትና ብዛዕባ ፍልልይ ኣብ መንጎ ዋይፍን ላይፍን እዩ። ዋይፋይ እንታይ ኢልና ነርና وايرلس فيداليتي مالتيو لايف خاني لايت فيداليتي حج وايرلس نفلطينا ز واي في كل غزي اب غزاوتنا بصراحنا بتمرتنا نريو اذا حدش تكنولوجي خا ببرهان كوينو جن كستا انترنت دهبنا مالتيو حج تبرهان كلنا خلو حد ليد بالب الله مالتي زي بتشلو مالتيو دقطبن انمس كبابيانا فريند دهونه كم خاني نعود قبلكا زي فوتو استيخا لنا سيمي كوندكتور كا ريسيفر مالتيو حجي انت ايتطقمنا لايف اندحرينا حد سبيد فتنه الله مالتيو كاب كومبير كتقبرو خلها عندنا قال لعل 100% يفتن كاب كستاي عندنا ابوزح صعود له بوتات وايف اندحر ابيلكا تناتو كستاي يغدل مالستي لو خونتناتو سبيد مالتيو فتناتو يزحبت انترنت نات كا ازغن بنصارز ناي لايت لايف جن مور فتنة الله مالتيو قال تي انفورميشن حج اب بابليك اريا نحدكم هاد الخوايفي تي انفورميشن هكا بخالوت كتلف خدي مالت هاكرس مالتيو حج اب نايك سايت بكم تكون كان لايف جن مور ريستريكتري اوباك دخون وورلس وي كا معصوتات كوصايكن ابتدى الخيا بوتا يترايد حصر مالتيو قال انت يالو زي ترانسميشن فتنة الله يلنا قال وايف እንታይ ይጥቀም ቪዚብል ላይት ኮሙኒኬሽን ይጥቀም መብራህቲ ይጥቀም ማለት ሁሉ ጊዜ መብራህት خلو አለው ማለት እዩ ነዚ መሃዚኡ ማን ይባሃል ፕሮፌሰር ሃራልድ ሃስ ይባሃል ማለት እዩ ካለ አፕሊኬሽን አምታ ሆን ተቆመሉ ንخل ሓደ ኣብ ሆስፒታላት ተቆመሉ خلو ማለት እዩ ሞር ካፕቲ ዋይፍ ብዌቭ ድኸይድ ማለት እዩ دخنا penetrate سلدي يقبر ويكاخ استخوات سلدي يكل مورتي information تحبريتات اب حدا حصر بوتا خونلهم يخل كنترول يقبرو كل مالت هوسبيتالات مخنيات حد غزي اتناي لايت انت اخذت بلزناي ويف ستاي ناي راديو ويف افكت صلوا الله سلدبها مورت ناي لايت ويف تخوين كن تصلوا تحد بلس هنا مالتيو اب ترافيك اب مخاينات اب غعزوتات كالي اب ناي دشتات ناي دغدل مبرهتات كا يتقوملو مالتيو كالا اب تحت بحر خاني هم روبوتس دي تنقصاص نغرات كاني لايفي مخنيات برهان بحري ماي سنتي وسلداتو مالتي مور نتقستاي كسالطلم كقالط فوخل عندنا اب اندستريات كالات كان تقوملو مالتيو حجز مسل حصر بزباله مالتي نايلوم مدبنا اب قصال ግን مور سفح دبل خال حبريتات حيزلكم كمصيه مالتي بزعبا زين كالن مالتي لخنا حبر حتات حلكم كابت كومنتار فلتخا تصحفوا لي تقولوهم مالتي بستخالكم متنكا سبسكرايب شير كم خاني لايك ام غاكا تحاورناهم سقاب قصان رخبكا كل سسناي منكم حنكدي